Hello friends, I am Anirban Gupta. Welcome my kitchen. So today's our recipe is how to make peanut fried rice. This is the very unique recipe. So ingredients are needed, very simple ingredients. So ingredients are needed: boiled Deradun rice, then after needed red bell pepper, then after needed green capsicum, then after needed curry leaves, then after needed 1 tablespoon garlic paste, then after needed lemon juice, then after needed roasted peanut, then after needed turmeric powder, then after needed mustard seeds, then after needed salt to taste. This is the ingredients of peanut fried rice. So let's see the next step. Friends, I take a kadrai and added 1 tablespoon refined oil. Then after that garlic paste. First add garlic paste. Then after that curry leaves. And then after that mustard seed. And fry well for few seconds. Then after that green capsicum, then after that red bell pepper, and then after that peanut. Fry well for few seconds. This is the beautiful color. See, the beautiful color, green and red combination. And now after added turmeric powder, and here added some salt to taste. Then mix well properly. And now added some lemon juice and mix well properly. See friends, all vegetables fried well properly. All vegetables, capsicum, peanuts fry well properly, and then now added rice, boiled rice, and now mixed well properly. See friends, and now mix well properly this rice, and gas flame always low flame. See the beautiful colors. This fried rice is very unique fried rice and very quick recipe. So please try at your home and mix for few minutes. You always take dinner recipe and this fried rice always serve with mutton kasa, chicken. The very too much tasty rice this. So see friends, this peanut fried rice is now ready and ready for serve. See friends, our peanut fried rice is now ready. This is a beautiful looking, see, beautiful looking. And if you like this my video, then please give subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you so much.